HLBZ penny.
For my necklace, got $100,000 on my checklist. All the money you made is on worthless. You ain't learning. I be in person. I be making money fast. They be so determined. I be working every day. Yeah, I'm up on my circuit. Get me another diamond chain, made it from the surface. I been hurting. What you live with me straight till the end. Baby, don't leave my back. I'm too spent. This is what I got. Yeah, it's how it been. But that's okay, 'cause I'm making
Shares of Hellbiz now up to the highs, about 30 cents now, up from 12 cents. Closed yesterday, fine that report that the company will investigate illegal trading of their stock. That's Hotel Lima Bravo Zulu. FLX making new pre-market highs into the open, 339.20. November Foxtrot Lima X-ray. SIEN, Sientra announcing 1-for-10 reverse stock split. Sandy, India, Echo, November. Company in a filing yesterday announced that that same news. Now out with a press release on that 1-for-10 reverse stock split. Sandy, India, Echo, November.
Out all for now re HLBZ, fingers crossed closer to 0.50 at the open.
T-minus 3 minutes.
Forgot to hit my button. What's going on, Chestina Adley? How we doing? I don't know why OBS is making this line like go in and out like that. It's kind of weird. Holy
DB,
crap,
Deutsche Bank,
volume.
Financial Times says Deutsche Bank cutting investment banker bonus pool by 40%.
What kind of shares to borrow? We want to watch here at the bell. Yeah.
Lunch there.
Почему у тебя столько газет разбросано по всему полу? У тебя что, собака какая-нибудь? Чау-чау. Эй, Пол!
All right, let's get it. Less than a minute. Probably trying to go back up. Trying to get back up over that 391 from yesterday. GNS, look at this trend line it held from yesterday morning all the way through. Pretty crazy. Alrighty. Good luck, everybody. Stay safe.
5 seconds to the open.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.06% after the open. S&P 500 up 0.37%. NASDAQ up 0.65% after the open. NBS Novartis warns U.S.
SIVB
drug
earnings
prices
PSA.
could hurt research.
Pricey one.
That's November Victor Sandy. Price of help is 31 cents now, up 147% following that press
Carat
release
dollar on way.
from the company.
COSM1K. Pass.
W.
CVKD announcing pricing of its IPO.
JW.
Ally is earnings 2 PSA. JWN up.
Ally.
W as well.
Never mind.
LYT.
Company pricing they're offering at $5 per share, 1.4 million shares.
W32KTB.
W.
Oh wow, thanks. Figured that had plenty as always, didn't even check.
Ally would have been nice.
SIVB trail.
LYT. COSM.
Probably wouldn't have got filled anyway. Even if I did play it. Down to 3. That would have been crappy.
Letter W, shares of Wayfair hit a high of 44.36. Now at 43.39. After the company announced it's laying off 10% of its workforce. That's letter W, up about 11% now.
LYT NTB.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
CJJD. CJJD.
Coming up at 10,
TGL
existing
20K.
home sales for December minus 5.4% expected, 3.96 million.
COSM.
SE needs more. Tour up.
SE NYSE Limited popping here, up about 5.5% now. Sandy Echo.
Just SIVV on a trail. INM 64K. SE up.
Shares of Netflix now over $340 at the intraday high. November Foxtrot Lima X-ray.
Vaya ha 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 ha, hella des bois, team ISW. More like Team B. Carrot. Se Cha Cheng. Happy face.
JWN CJJD.
ALLY, Ally Financial, popping to the highs following their earnings report. 3032 up 15%. Alpha Lima Lima Yankee.
Spot near 99 fest. SE trail.
LYT.
HLBZ through HOD.
LYT, Lightest Technologies, resuming after a circuit breaker halt off the highs now at $1.12, up 43%. Lima Yankee Tango. HLBZ, Help is hit the high now, up 160%, 32 cents. HLBZ.
Stitch face. You got the sauce. Supreme got that heat, bitch.
bass in this sounds terrible.
Ally.
Is it like that on purpose? It's really bad.
Carrot so thick, kinda hate it.
This shit's driving me crazy. All the time I gave you, now you're gone and it feels like you raped me. Maybe the love was never true. Maybe I didn't have a clue. It's like anything I do. If it didn't go your way, it wasn't good enough for you. I put in time for us. Just trying to make a way, make a way. Still I ain't doing enough. It seems I do is complain. I give you everything you ever wanted.
PSA, B1, out all for now re-HLBZ, fingers crossed closer to 0.50 at the open.
You said you fell out of love. You said like I was never enough. You said you fell out of love. You said, wow. So this is it. You're really gone for good. You doing all the things you promised me you never would. I'm done. How could I trust someone when you told me that you love me, but the next day you gone? Yeah, and it's so
Grom 100 KTB, bigger PLS.
AKTS.
If I could go back in time to change it, I swear I would. I would change all of the bullshit you misunderstood. This shit's driving me crazy. All the time I gave you, now you're gone and it feels like you raped me. Maybe the love was never true. Maybe I didn't have a clue. It's like anything I do. If it didn't go your way, it wasn't good enough for you. I put in time for us. Just trying to make a way, make a way. Still I ain't doing enough. It seems I do is complain. I gave you everything you ever wanted. Was spending all the time.
Grom is the one I couldn't even take a starter on yesterday because of BP issues for what it's worth.
GCBC, Green County Bank Corp, reporting their
B said
earnings. Golf
BP
Charlie
issues.
Bravo Charlie.
What is that? MEGL80 KTB.
Company reporting 85 cents per basic and diluted share.
MEGL pretty daily.
That's for the 3 months period.
/S. BTB halt.
No estimate on GCBC.
LYT.
Ooh, BTB.
Check daily there. Also pretty daily, DCB. Was thinking YOLO personally. SLB earnings.
I mean, yeah, probably eventually. You mean like playing these breakouts, or like the same thing I'm doing now but to the long side, like buying the big dips?
LYT.
I'd see myself buying the big dips before trying to play breakouts.
Coming up at 10, existing home sales.
It's funny though, because
for
I do feel like
December,
I'm
month
starting
over
to
month,
get a read on them a little bit.
3.96 million units.
I mean, watching these tickers, waiting for them to do what I want them to do for my edge now.
Today, boys.
I essentially can start to see it form. So it's like, why can't I take advantage of it into what is attempting to be the move I'm looking for short?
Is anyone in here?
SLB Schlumberger CEO says markets poised for strong growth in the Middle East and Latin America, geographically more broadly in offshore and in gas in 2023.
That's a UG co for what it's worth.
Says public companies, particularly the majors, are expected to increase short cycle spending in key U.S. land basins in 2023. That's SLB Schlumberger following their earnings report. Comments from the CEO. Shares off the highs now, 58.26 right now, up $1.02. That's the Sandy Lima Bravo. Shares of Google or Alphabet right now are just off the highs at $97, up 4.25% after the company announcing plans to eliminate 12,000 positions at the company. That's Golf Oscar, Oscar Golf Lima, and Golf Oscar, Oscar Golf.
Should have unhalted. Maybe it's a little delayed, or if it's a 10-minute. They pushed the price up right before it was about to. It was at 250.
COSM.
Guess it's a 10-minute. Yeah, I mean, I eventually plan to hone my skills, but I would like to be much better and further along than I am now. I'd rather just focus on getting this down and scaling it. Then I can start throwing some money at those other things.
AKTS. SLDP. AKTS. 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 COSM.
go. Pushing it up again.
Nothing in here for you guys either?
Nope.
Nope. Yeah, I'm kind of, dude, I was staring at Baba, but dude, I don't really like trading that.
I was hoping this BTB would have ran up to 3 out of the halt there, but it decided to just die.
I didn't see that one. BT, a little cheaper. Choppy day, guys. Choppy day. Kind of watching coin. See if he wants to fail up here again. That would be cool.
Ugh, BTB. I just wanted to see what it would do. Yeah, I was like, I wanted to see if it would struggle out of the halt, but it didn't just struggle. It just died.
Died. That sucks. That was EDU for me this morning. I
dollar.
had that on watch for a short, but I mean, it literally just went straight down.
MRGL in.
I'm like, I don't know how to enter this. That was a pretty good drop too.
Me too.
Yeah.
Dude, the SPY's gotta look like crap with how some of these stocks are moving. Yep.
Pharaoh.
Well, super slow. I can't really find. I took one trade on EDU for the bounce. Made very little.
Pretty early. 3.60 more likely.
That's all I got today.
Me too.
Jeez, BTB literally went right down to yesterday's high. Wow, that's crazy. That's a frustrating one.
Bit brother. Sounds like a Bitcoin stock.
SLB. Slumber J CEO says on a full year basis, company aims to grow revenue in excess of 15%.
God, I didn't.
In 2023, adjusted
like
EBITDA growth will be in the
these.
mid-20s, driven by further margin expansion. That's Sandy Lima Bravo's Slumber J.
MEGL 60K.
Coming up in less than a minute, the existing home sales for December, minus 5.4%, 3.96.
Cut MEGL.
Expected.
Where is your red arrow on the chart?
One I just posted.
Yeah.
Right here on this red candle, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right before the big drop down.
Oh, I see it over there.
2 candles
Popping
over.
to the highs,
LHDX go.
4%.
I was
You
like,
can-
this ain't
it blends
going.
in.
Blend in with the red candle.
670
There,
KTV.
I'm not in it. It scared me for a second, but I would actually be greener, so it would have been okay. I looked at it, I'm like, I'm not in it.
4.02 million units. Consensus 3.96 million.
That would have been a good mistake to make at this point. Ah, dude, such choppiness. PDD is kind of interesting. You might get a takeoff on that one. I mean, it's not happened yet, but
LYT.
wow, look at that daily on CBay.
SLB Schlumberger says for 2023, expect to distribute visibly more than 50% of free cash flow to shareholders between dividends and buybacks. That's Sandy Lima Bravo.
CBAY. Da da.
¿Qué te pasa, princesa? Está más dulce que fresa. No te agaches la cabeza. Tarde o temprano, siempre tiran la mesa. Así es la vida, pero no te creas, yo no soy cualquiera. Siempre ves lo mismo, nunca te enteras. Salsa para todo el mundo, para lo que quiera. No me dejes renquero. You just want me to lose control. You just want to possess my soul. Why do you do the things you do? Would you like if I did it too? You just want me to lose control. You just want to possess my soul. Why do you
MEGL like the daily for a fade from here, small leftovers.
There goes your coin, D.
We got now it's got to decide if it's going higher, if it's going to just break back down below the 51.
Fed George says economy is responding to work the Fed is doing.
BNED. BNED. BNED.
I like don't have the best bias on it, you know, like higher or lower. I kind of like
encouraging to
chart's
see
got to tell
inflation
me.
is coming down.
So I need to see it come down to 51 and hold, or come down to 51 and break.
Fed
Then I
George
can
says
make a decision.
focuses on inflation pressures we continue to see in the service sector.
You. Da.
IBKR shares are open. Charlie Victor Kilo Delta.
Stock.
Head there.
IPO and now at $6.20, priced at $5.
Straight up super fucking slow, huh?
BNED.
URA shares of the uranium ETF up about 3% now, 2233, Uniform Romeo Alpha.
LAZ are up again. $6.50 plus orders out for me.
SDRL.
Fed George says need to see job openings coming down.
SDRL.
LCID, Lucid, seeing call activity. Lima Charlie India Delta. The February 9.5 calls active on Lima Charlie India Delta.
Told her never should have sent it. Never should have sent it. If it didn't involve your name, then why the fuck you in it? Ain't tryna hear no sorry. Told her fuck all that repentance. Since you wanna run your mouth, I gotta run up in it. Come outside, ho, ho. Come outside, ho. Yeah. Come outside, ho. What you quiet for? What? Come outside, ho. Come outside, ho. Yeah. Come outside, ho. Don't be quiet, ho. Baby, you gon' learn your lesson, and you gon' learn your place. I said, bitch, you not my speed. Yeah, you gon' learn your pace. Even if I slowed it down, you couldn't run this race. Say this pussy got that heat. It's about to burn your face. Anyway, how the fuck you even know what's going on? When you with the social media, that's when you went wrong. See, my business is my business. Ain't nobody should've known. You should shut the fuck up, and you should leave it alone. Cause I'm sparing you. Cross me up, I'm daring you. Bitch, you did me wrong. Matter of fact, you did me terrible. This right here unbearable. You lucky that I care for you. Cause if I didn't have you missing like a variable, bitch, told her never
PEBK, People's Bancorp, announcing special cash dividend. Papa Echo Bravo Kilo, PEBK.
This playlist is all over the place. It's like it has some really good stuff, and then it has this. Like,
Dividend
watch
of
the
15
difference. All I
cents
did
per
was hit
share.
next.
That's PEBK.
XPEV if you got them.
OYT
Pretty
halted
sexy.
on a circuit breaker. At $1.50 for the high now, Lima Yankee Tango. Shares up 94% for latest technology.
took some of this coin off the web.
I got a little money, keep a fly ass fit. I used to dream of days I would live like this, huh?
I can get the 50-20 size, I think we go pretty far.
I be chasing after that cream. My shorty turned me vegan, now all I see is the green, huh? Yeah, I know my purpose to motivate. No looking back, I'm focused, no need to hesitate. I work hard, but now I'm learning to celebrate. I feel free, almost like I can levitate. Nigga, I'm Henny sipping, trying to ease the pain. Yeah, my eyes low in designer frames. Yeah, I thought I changed when I got my chains. They thought I changed, nigga, but I'm still the same old nigga on the same old shit. Cause I drive nice cars, got a badass bitch. I got a little money, keep a fly ass fit. I used to dream of days I would live like this, huh?
Just a small nigga with a big dream. Funny how it never planned out the way they make it seem. Gotta stick to the script, never make a scene. They make believe forever with the team, it ain't no in between. Niggas got it all wrong, so I don't even bother. I just stay in my zone, ducked off in the coop. Probably blowing strong, it's time to talk my shit. I've been humble for too long, it's my turn for the throne. Why wait? And I'm on right now. They say live for the moment, so I'm gone right now. Tell myself that I'm the greatest and I love the way it sound. And if you didn't know then, you about to know now. I rock what I like, I ain't with all that designer shit. Stand true to myself, I know it's common sense. But ever since I stepped on the scene, I've been deposited. Ain't gotta have a rollie for niggas to know what time it is.
Yeah, I'm Henny sipping, trying to ease the pain. Yeah, my eyes low in designer frames. Yeah, I thought I changed when I got my chain. They thought I changed, nigga, but I'm still the same old nigga on the same old shit. Cause I drive nice cars, got a badass bitch. I got a little money, keep a
RPAY, we pay holdings, seeing some volume coming in, shares at the highs, $8.92. Romeo Papa Alpha Yankee.
BYND up, 220K.
Made my first 50 bands, I made all of them haters sick. Chopping niggas down for my dog, I feel like John Wick. You know I stand tall through all of the nonsense. Need my money 9-2, right now it's like 5-6. That's a bag and a half and add like 5 bricks, nigga. You do the math.
Break.
LYT, LYT, LYT.
Very good. Absent.
CNEY. LYT. CNEY.
Parents, they were Catholic, so by default, so was she. She was grappling with those traditions and her needs. And I was in the middle where I always seem to be, knowing that she put another man over me. God, she was angelic, and I do not embellish. She went to school with him, but I hope that she
I'm out of going but watching them again.
She thought me handsomer, but she would never tell him. Got in a suit to see his house, and he was getting jealous. She put that man over me. Up to the heights I can't reach.
LYT.
Down.
LYT.
My God, I look at her and almost start to cry. Cause our love was blossoming, but so was our divine. I was down on earth while he was watching me pine. And he never did anything, his burden wasn't mine. She put that man over me. To the heights I can't reach. That's too high.
CNEY. LYT. 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 LYT.
Clicks. Ah, filled the gap. It's right at a gap fill on the daily.
CNEY. CNEY. AKTS. CNEY. CNEY. CNEY.
LYT.
What are you watching, Devin?
3%, Lima Yankee Tango.
Point.
W.
And LYT now halted again on a circuit breaker at the highs, up
Probably says
143%, Lima Yankee Tango.
LTB or something just halted. I didn't hear what he said. Might actually be a penny stock.
Penny and halted. Not I, said Thomas.
DNMR.
I don't know what it is. I can't find the ticker.
Tour might be setting up
The
for
reason
a
I said
para.
that is I lowered it
Pivot
down
on
to a
daily at
dollar, and I still don't
2.20-ish.
see an MLTB or anything like that. So like, I don't know what it is. Might
The
be in
LYT?
cents. Maybe.
It's the one
thought
that's
he said
been
B.
moving.
Oh, that's probably it, yeah. That looks like it's halted right now. We don't have shares, huh?
W.
Nope.
W820 KTB now LOL.
Real.
And says HTB on the montage LOL. SE up.
dream about money, about a big house, but all I want is you. Your touch is fire when you love me, desirable, attainable, yeah, all I want is you.
CNEY.
We are all the same.
LYT.
Fame, attention, confirmation.
LYT.
Why do we care? What is it worth?
LYT resuming.
CJJD.
Shares off the highs at
Yeah.
$1.85. Lima Yankee Tango.
INPX. CBAY. W.
I used to dream about a cruiser that drove against the wind.
The gap fill on Netflix. Yeah. Sorry.
I know that fire when you touch me, my vision gets so dimmed. Yeah, all I want is
It's right here. It started way down here. 246.37. It's not going to be perfect, but somewhere right around there. Go to the 2 minute. Cross through it here. See if I zoom in on it, if we can get it more precise. It's pretty close. 333.22. 333. Can't make this shit up, man. Can't make it up. Support and resistance.
CBAY.
Can't make it up sometimes.
CNEY halted. New go go go. BYND cancelled orders, grinding, maybe later if it speeds up. Carrot no position. Kala looking. $15K pass. 15K TB.
CNEY.
The heck is the volume?
W.
CNEY volume. LOL. SE starts, 70 way better.
I was thinking the 68.72 area. Good spot on the daily.
You know this is going to be just works, right?
I hope so. GDT's already in it. I mean, I have a line off the daily at 68.72 area. So I have the daily chart up twice for SE, right? One of them, the 200, is up at like 90 something, and the other one is down here where the price is currently. They're both the 200 simple moving average. What does yours say?
I don't have the 200.
On Thinkorswim, it's at it basically.
Yeah, what the heck? But on this daily chart, I mean, it's the same daily chart. Yeah, that's where I have it on my chart, which lines up pretty perfectly with some support areas from June, July, August, and resistance from December. So that's why I was looking at that area and the 200s right there. But then I pulled up SE on this chart right above it just by accident, and the 200 on the daily is up at like 90. So what the heck?
I'm sure that's where, like, I sure it's the 200. I'm checking, yeah.
Yeah, just checked again, yeah. Moving average simple 200.
Weird.
That's very odd. Try reloading it. Oh, same. It's so weird.
I would like to say I understand, but I do not.
Dada
SE
still
stop
going
hot.
straight up.
Like at GDT. Up and TB.
Garage buff trader. That's funny. I just want to know why that's different. Kind of weird. I mean, I don't really use the 200 like that, so it's not that big of a deal, but I just don't understand why. I wonder, will it do it over here? I don't even check,
Dada
so I don't
straight
know.
up.
I can see one of my mustache hairs pointing up. Very annoying. Wow, look at that collar. Quite the move. Like no volume.
L.
XP, XPeng, the March 10 calls active, X-ray Papa Echo Victor.
Dad through 0.50 fast. Dada asterisk.
I found out why. I was scrolled over on the daily because I was looking for the I was zoomed in on that support area back from June, July, August. That makes sense. So the line looked higher than it actually was. Silly goose.
You short that SC or stay away?
Not I.
Not I, but
freaking grinder.
Yeah. I am practicing immense patience.
You think you are? I got 17 trades for the month.
Oh, I'm in a trade that I'm practicing immense patience on.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Which coin or PDD? I got them both up.
Coin, the only one I've been watching. Average is 70. I just took a little out of VWAP, but I'm looking for a way bigger flush. I need it to go through like 50-20. Through 50-20, dude. Say bye-bye. Dude, I have been devoting myself to like really trying to find patterns and crap like that, and it is helping. Like it's hard to trade them, but
TETC.
I feel like a few key patterns that are actually matter. This one's off of the head and shoulders and previous resistance, so that was like a double whammy.
Seems about right.
I think I'm learning how people trade on slow days, though. It's just not fun. Do that 54.20-ish, I think I get the draw. Ooh, SC through that 200, Tim. I think right through it. Barely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Those are tricky, man. I'm not really down to trade just, hey, it's got to reject this, you know? Like, I just can't do that. If it goes through it, it can go through it pretty hard.
MEGLCNEY
Like
out
that.
all, cash.
That was a pretty good pop there. Now rejection of that 200 might be interesting.
Went right to that line I drew at 68.70.
Tim's got the magic line.
Yeah, it was resistance back here in December and support a bunch of times back in June, July, August. It's like
that you're adding those in a little bit.
It's just
I know
key
you've been doing
areas to
that for a
watch.
while, but
Yeah.
you used to not like them because you were like, just the momentum, it's all that matters.
How
Now,
much do I have to make to shave the beard and mustache? 100 grand.
This gives you another little element.
When I have 100 grand in my account, I'll shave.
As many things as you can add without making it like stupid difficult.
I can't imagine what I look like without it at this point. I haven't seen myself without it in
an alert on that
15 years.
Below that 200. Something else I've really been studying is how often markets range as opposed to how often markets,
pennies on the way.
You know, like break out or trend. And I mean, I think we all know markets range more than they trend. So if you've got a stock that ranges big, you can make some money. That's why I'm liking coin right now. I don't think it's going to be a breakout day. I think it's going to be a range day, so I'm playing within the range.
Do not shave. Why not?
It's boring, but
I mean,
making me money.
100K is pretty far away, but
I see you back to the 200.
I've actually been contemplating shaving just for the fun of it at some point. I think I want to wait till the kids are a little older because I don't want to like shock them.
Come on, stop, move.
LYT.
Move my stop down a little bit on a coin.
LYT.
I'll tell you what, dude, taking off RSI and all that crap helps me.
ENS broke that trend line and faded hard. Man.
Did it? We didn't have shorts on that now.
ATRO.
Why can't I shave, Tora? Give me the reasons.
That bastard just stopped me out. Oh well. Jeez. Little B. Coin. So far so good though, making money on it. Even though she's tricky. I think I'll wait for my level break on this one instead of trying to guess it. Unless you beeping at us. Thomas doesn't know that he's beeping at
stapling your
us.
ass.
I know. I
My
don't think he
control
knows that
button
we
is
can hear him.
stuck.
Oh, again? Why does this keep happening
Blow
to
on
you?
it like the old Nintendos.
So he wasn't stapling me.
He straight up smashed it.
He's just hitting it over and over again.
You're gonna hear it hit the wall in pieces.
Shut up!
When I always run IT for the small home family offices, since I worked for a ton of them, they always, my keyboard's sticking. I walk in there, grab the keyboard, and slam it down. It's not sticking anymore.
ATRO.
Oh, P diddle diddle. I got no clue what you doing.
The volume on this thing, non-existent. All right, guys. I know I said I was gonna make a video today, no matter what, but I forgot I had a bunch of crap to do, and it's my son, my youngest birthday, so I might not, especially because I didn't trade. But I am.
I could see a
about to
lot
get
of
out of
crap
here
under my
'cause
keycaps, and it's
my
like
wife
I don't feel like
and I have to run and grab some stuff and everything for his birthday party tomorrow. So I'm gonna get out of here. Have a good weekend. Appreciate y'all being here. Let's see what this HLBZ is doing real quick. Nope. I'll be in the Discord for probably like the next 15-20 minutes as I kind of just get ready to go. But
GM General Motors.
have a good weekend. Thank you, Tora.
investing
Appreciate that.
$918 million
I
in
will
4
be back
US
Monday morning,
facilities for
obviously,
V8 engine
and
production
hope
EV
to see you all
components.
then. Until then, be safe. Peace.
That's Golf Michael, GM.